Okay, let's see if else condition. Here, what is if else condition? If else condition is a control structure that allows you to execute different blocks of code based on specific condition. Let's see syntax. If condition, here we can write if condition and print statement. Here also else condition and print statements. Here if is satisfied, then condition is stops. If is not satisfied, then go to else. Here let's see real time example for if else condition. Student exam fee is equal to 50,000. Student pay amount is equal to 44,000. Here student exam fee is 50,000. How much student can pay? 44,000. So student due amount, student exam fee minus student pay amount. Here student how much can pay? 44,000. So 50,000 minus 44,000. Here we can take if condition. Student exam fee less than or equal to student pay amount. Print if this condition is satisfied, then do not go to else condition. Let's check. Here student exam fee less than or equal to student pay amount. Yes, obviously 50,000 less than or equal to 44,000. So it doesn't satisfy the condition, so that's why let's go to the else. We want to change this operators also. Yes, next we can use different operators. But we can change any operator. The condition is in if or else. That's it. Student exam fee.